My beloved child, be still for a moment and listen with more than your ears. Open your heart and allow these words to settle deeply within your spirit. Truth has a way of making itself known, even when the world is filled with noise and uncertainty. In every season of your life, I have been near, gently calling you toward hope, wisdom, and peace. Nothing about your life has been meaningless. Every step you have taken, every joy you have celebrated, and every burden you have carried has shaped you into the person you are becoming. Even during the quiet moments, when you wonder whether anyone saw your tears or understood your struggles, you were never alone. My presence has remained constant, surrounding you with love even when you could not recognize it. Do not overlook the quiet seasons. Often, it is in stillness that your heart becomes most able to hear what truly matters. Not every answer arrives with dramatic signs or overwhelming displays of power. Sometimes hope comes as a gentle whisper, a quiet reminder to keep trusting, to keep loving, and keep moving forward one faithful step at a time. You were created with purpose. Your life is not an accident, and your story is not without meaning. Long before you understood your own path, there was already a greater design unfolding. Every experience has been shaping your character, strengthening your faith, and preparing you for opportunities that lie ahead. There may have been moments when confusion clouded your vision. You questioned whether you were heading in the right direction or whether your efforts mattered at all. Yet even in those uncertain seasons, growth was taking place beneath the surface. Just as roots grow deep before a tree reaches toward the sky, your spirit has been quietly developing strength that will sustain you in the days ahead. Do not be discouraged when change comes. Change often feels uncomfortable because it invites you to leave behind what is familiar. Yet many of life's greatest blessings arrive through seasons of transformation. What feels like an ending may simply be the beginning of something far more beautiful than you imagined. Release the fear that tells you you are not enough. You do not have to earn love through perfection or prove your worth through constant striving. Rest in the knowledge that your value is not determined by your failures or successes, but by the dignity and purpose with which you were created. As you continue forward, let peace become your guide instead of anxiety. Let compassion replace bitterness. Let gratitude overcome discouragement. These choices slowly reshape your heart and allow hope to flourish, even when circumstances remain difficult. You will discover that the answers you once searched for outside yourself often begin with quiet reflection, sincere prayer, and the courage to trust through uncertainty. Each day presents another opportunity to choose faith over fear, forgiveness over resentment, and hope over despair. There will be moments when old habits, painful memories, and limiting beliefs begin to fall away. Do not be afraid of this process. Growth often requires letting go of what no longer serves the life you are meant to live. Every lesson learned becomes part of the foundation upon which your future is built. Remember that your kindness matters. Your encouragement matters. The compassion you show to someone who is struggling may become the very light that helps them continue. Even small acts of love can have an impact far greater than you realize. When doubt whispers that your journey has no purpose, remember how far you have already come. The obstacles that once seemed impossible are now behind you, and the strength you gained through those trials remains within you. What once appeared to be setbacks have often become stepping stones toward greater wisdom and deeper faith. Walk into each new day with confidence, not because every question has been answered, but because hope continues to lead you forward. Trust that even when the path is unclear, each faithful step has value. Continue seeking what is good, speaking words that bring life, and choosing love in every opportunity you receive. Let this moment become more than simply another message you read. Let it become an invitation to pause, reflect, and renew your heart. Carry peace into your conversations. Carry hope into your challenges. Carry compassion into every place you go. Your story is still unfolding. The chapters ahead have not yet been written, and every new morning offers another chance to grow in wisdom, courage, humility, and love. Keep moving forward with confidence, knowing that even the smallest step taken in faith can lead to extraordinary change. May your heart remain steady, your spirit remain hopeful, and your life become a reflection of kindness, grace, and enduring faith. Walk forward with courage. Cherish every opportunity to do good, and never lose sight of the hope that continues to guide your journey at MY Precious One. I ask you to listen with more than just your music ears. Let your spirit truly receive what I share. Deep inside you, there's a knowing that always recognizes truth, no matter how loud the world around you becomes. My voice is not a fleeting sound. It is an enduring reality that has always enveloped you, long before you even realized you were music searching for it. What you might see as random events are me always connected. Every single moment of your life is known within my complete understanding, which holds all things from their beginning to their end. Even before your physical form came, music, into being, I knew you fully. This deep knowledge of you is not something from the past. IT is the very foundation supporting you in this moment. Perhaps you once considered your days to be unremarkable. But I tell you, my child, even in music, the quietest times, there's a message from me. I often make my presence known without music, any great show. I do not declare myself with overwhelming force. Instead, I speak through a soft stir within your spirit, a prompting you might not be able to explain with reason. This gentle prompting is how I communicate with you, much like the subtle whisper heard by a prophet of old, rather than